You making sure the line comes up on the reel straight?
Try and do. I see what happens when it doesn't. It's easier to say than do sometimes.
Oh, I know. That's got to be a pretty decent fish, I would think. Yep. Nice fish. That's a good one.
Solid little bass.
Yep. That's a nice fish. Good fish. Little guy?
Yeah.
Any predictions?
He fought hard for second, and we just come along for the ride again.
Don't think he's a monster. Might be a trout. Watch that cable there. Go one side or the other. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Yeah, come right back there. Good fish. He just figured out he was hooked. That's a nice fish. Nice fat one, isn't he?
Should have chewed the bait.
Yep. Boy, he's active, huh? Nice fish. Nice fish. Got him. That's another nice fish. Look at that one.
Jesus Christ.
That's a good one, huh?
Well, they need to come all of us.
Yeah. Come right over in this corner over here, Paul. Try to keep him out of that line, that red line off to the right here, if you can. Stick the rod over there. I think. Got him. Long fish. He doesn't have the girth the other one did. Nice long fish. Lead lines seem to be doing better today. Still on there? Coming to life a little now. I'm going to stay out of your way this time. How's that? Christ, he's right here. Stop this one. You got one on here too.
Well, that last one, you got them right about there. Like that.
Yep. That's a nice fish. Did you see that bait slide down, slap him in the head? The bait slid down the line and slapped him in the head. He didn't like that. Got him. It's another good fish, Paul. Look at that.